Hey fellas, so we're still grinding on these things. We're just working on the last one now, getting the rough cut in, and the other one's pretty much there. But in the meantime, whenever I let the bits cool a little bit, I come out here working this turd. That's a door seal. Everything on the other side is replaced so far. So got a new door seal, new weather strip for around here, new dew wipe, and a new speaker. As you can tell, you can hear it through that. But I got these because I got a Kenwood receiver, and then I got this little thing that kicked in with it. This is plug this right into the factory speaker connector, and then this goes on a new speaker.
ZZ Top and Grammy
and all it is
this year, the Beatles, who won the Best Rock Performance for their song Now and Then, released last year, with the help of AI and some old tapes of John Lennon. The Rolling Stones won Best Rock Album at the Grammys this year.
It's a lot better than the factory 30-some-year-old
ones. We're going to hear from on the way, the Black Crowes. So coming up.
When I took, hold on a second.
Always will. 100.3.
When I took the old weather seal off, I blew compressed air in there and got all the junk that was in there, and then I sprayed some oil in it to get in that little gap down there, the seam, keep it from rusting. And now that I got the seal on, I found using this to kind of seat the seal on works real good. And then it was a pretty good setup. I think I got it from LMC, but there was that much extra with it, so I did cut it off so that they kind of butted together real good, because this is going to shrink as it gets older, and then I don't want to have a gap. So that's that. It went on pretty good. The seal for the window track, that was a bit of a challenge, but I got it. A squirt bottle of alcohol helps give it some lube without that, just evaporate. I ain't got to worry about it, if I use silicone, having issues when it gets painted or anything like that. So, all right, let me get back at it and I'll update you later. All right, so everything's on except for the big panel here, because every one of them little plastic clips broke. They are 30-some years old, so I guess I gotta expect that. Everything went in pretty good. The rubber seal here was a little bit of a challenge, just like it was on the other one. I started up here, used trim removal tool, kind of push it in, get it seated up in there good, and then when I got down here, I had to drop there's a bar back here, a guide bar for the back of the window. I took that off so I could have room to push the molding or a weather strip down in there. And again, like I said, a little shot of alcohol in there helps kind of lubricate it without leaving residue or any issues. Like if I use silicone, like I said, it would have dipped up the paint later. And this thing is trash, but it'll be all right. So I kind of lubed everything up while I had it in there. I had the panel off, and now I got to run down to AutoZone and get a couple packs of them. This thing about kicked my butt when I took it off over there first, because when you look at it, you think, well, how's that come off? There's no clips on the back, so I had to go on the YouTube and find out how to do this. Probably can't get her off now, but yeah, so that's like a two-piece deal. Attaches down here at the handle, the roller, and you got a screw in there. Once you're done, you pop it on and it clips on. Easy peasy. But the speakers are in. Yeah, my OCD, I didn't even realize it. That's not the right way, but it'll be okay. I could have put the screws in there, but I didn't want to touch the speakers, so I thought I better put them out there to keep them off the speaker material.
We're traveling through a dimension both of sound and ideas.
WTKE FM HD1.
All right, we'll wrap this up and get her put up on the YouTube. Appreciate y'all. Later on.